Hello, my people. How are you? Welcome to Bible Gist Naija, where we dey gist Bible matter for pidgin. If na your first time for Bible Gist Naija, I welcome you specially. So, my people, today the gist wey I carry come na about one man like that wey bin get power. If you combine 10 bulldozers together, the power no near am. But na one woman wey fine, come get sweet and soft voice, na im dey take bring am down. Today I go dey gist una about Samson and Delilah. And like I always talk, I go say make you go checkmate Bible, make you checkmate Judges chapter 16 from verse 1 to the end. Na there where I carry my tori from come today. So right about now, make we enter today gist. So Samson na man wey Baba God bless with plenty power. As I been talk earlier, I say if you join 10 bulldozers together, the power of that 10 bulldozer no near the kind muscle wey Papa God bless Samson with. The guy dey tear lion. This na guy wey be say e fit even carry city for back like say na backpack take do wetin e wan carry do. E even get one time wey dem bin bound am, tie am with different kind of ropes dem, give am that tying wey dem dey call crocodile tying. As dem tie am finish, the guy just flex im muscle small, just flex im muscle small. 2 seconds, all the rope cut, dem just tear like say na normal thread and needle wey dem take tie am. So na so this guy strong reach. But you know where the wahala dey? The wahala start when im jam Delilah. As e jam Delilah, na so im brain press pause. My guy come dey do mumu love, not knowing say Delilah dey work with the enemies. And she na person wey don sign contract with the enemies wey be the Philistines to come find out wetin be the secret to im power. So na there Bros Samson wahala start o, my people. So as Delilah see say Samson don love up, na there she start the attempt to find out im secret. First day na so she just call am, baby boo, boo boo, how far na? You no go tell me wetin be the secret to this your power? Abi you no trust your babe again? Na so Samson, my guy, the guy first never even trust her to that point. Na so im first lie give her. He tell her say, as I dey like this now, if you just go buy one new rope wey dem never use for anything before, as you carry am tie me, I no go fit move. Na so she happy, jump like chicken, go market, go buy one new rope wey fine, strong. Na so she carry am, tie Samson as im dey sleep. As the guy just wake up, as im sense danger dey come, na so im just flex im muscle. The rope dey just cut. Delilah come dey cry fake tears. Samson, you no love me, you no love me. You tell me lie, you lie for me. And Samson say, no worry, no vex. I go tell you this time around, I go tell you wetin be my secret. You know I love you. So na so that day won't take pass o. As that day pass so, Delilah no still rest o, she no rest at all. Na so she just dey worry Samson back to back. She dey worry Samson back to back. Anytime they just dey together like this, na wetin she dey ask am. One day na im bros vex, Samson vex. He say, wetin be the thing sef? Free me na. Okay. Na my hair. Baba God say make I no ever cut this my hair for any reason. Say if this my hair cut, say my strength don finish be that. I say talk am with vex. Na so im go sleep. Delilah now dey happy. She dey happy say she don get am. Na so she call the Philistine guys. So by that time she don shave all im hair finish. If you see Samson that time, e be like newborn baby wey no hair dey im body. Na so he come as im sense say the Philistine people don dey near am. Na so im wake up. He try to flex that im muscle wey im dey flex like chicken feather. He try am, nothing come out. Na that time he know say, chey, e don be for am. So na so the Philistines carry Samson. They carry am like small pikin wey no even sabi crawl. At the level wey be say he no get power again at all. So na wetin happen to Samson be this o. But God no still forget Samson. E come get one day wey the Philistines too, they dey do their party. They come carry Samson go there, tie am for wall. Make him just dey entertain them, make dem dey laugh, dey make mockery of am. Na so this thing pain Samson, and Samson cry one more time. He pray to Baba God. He say, Baba God, abeg, give me power one last time. So I no even care, and e no even matter whether I follow these people die. Because this one wey I even dey now sef, no be life I dey live. They don pluck my eye comot. Wetin I wan dey do again? And Baba God grant him request. Tell am say, Samson, my son, you disobey me, but me, I'm a merciful God. I will give you your last request. And so Baba God summon am with power wey even pass the one wey he been get before. And so Samson pushed the two pillars with him last strength. Everywhere, the building, everything fall, yakata. The whole enemies, the Philistines, them die. Samson too follow them, die. So my people, this is not the story of Samson and Delilah. So now see say Samson get power, but he no sabi control wetin dey control am. This na how fine face and sweet voice take finish grace wey dey upon im life, take destroy the power wey Baba God bless am with. So my people, no let love blind you from your calling o. If Baba God give you power, no go dey do mumu love, make you for no go leak the secret code like wetin happen to Samson. Yes o, so na here we go end today gist. But as the story dey come to you, abeg make you like our videos, subscribe to our channel, follow us on all social media platforms, comment on the comment section, share our videos with your guys, share with your family and friends. This na Bible gist Naija, this na Bible wey sabi. And so to the next episode. God bless you.